hello to all my friends out there. And so I'm excited because I found 2 new recipes in one day. Okay, I think one of the best things you can make every week is spaghetti. Most people like it for one thing, and it's cheap for another thing. I bought this hamburger at Grocery Outlet, 8 1/3 pound patties for $6.99, and I found it to be really good, so I'm probably staying with them. And so it calls for 1 medium onion, but I'm going to use my dry onion because that's easier. 2 cups water, 1 jar spaghetti sauce, and 1 jar. Now this is going to make a lot. That's another thing if you have a few kids or like a family. And salt, pepper, and sugar. So you'll notice, like in a lot of bean recipes and a lot of stir-fry recipes, the salt, pepper, and sugar. And then, I don't know, it was a couple months ago I started buying these better macaroni products. I bought wheat, and this is spinach. And then I bought this at 99 cents only. So let me show you the cookbook. Okay, I sell these. What I want to do is sell books on Amazon, but right now I'm selling them on, look at this one. This is my kind of recipe right here. But I want to sell cookbooks on, or not cookbooks, but books on Amazon. But in the meantime, I'm selling them on eBay. But on Amazon, as long as your book has a barcode or even had one, you can sell it. So let me show you the picture. So I thought this looked like some pretty good kids spaghetti. And what's good about this is if you do have kids, they can make dinner. Okay, so I found this salad mix at 99 cents only. But on the back is a recipe, and so what I'm going to do, lemon Parmesan vinaigrette, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So I have everything. Here's the instructions. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a little on my salad greens that are now going to contain this superfood salad mix and make the salads. And so I was excited. There's two new recipes. So that's a good situation. Let me see. I don't have a very good shot of everything. Okay, I'll be back.